Students, good morning to all. Dear students, today in your fifth standard, let us study about the chapter number 8, perimeter, area and value chapter. You know about, dear students, the perimeter. What is the meaning of perimeter? First of all, you study about only perimeter of the figure. Perimeter. Perimeter. What is the meaning of perimeter? Perimeter means the length of the closed figure is called. The surrounding total, the boundary of the closed figure is called, that is perimeter. Boundary of the closed figure or boundary of the polygon is called, that is perimeter. Or otherwise, the total sum of the total length of the figure is called, that is perimeter. In the perimeter, you study about only 1 second, right? Perimeter means boundary of a polygon. Polygon is called perimeter, or otherwise total length of the polygon, is called perimeter. Got it? This like perimeter is the only the total length. In the perimeter, you study about only rectangle and square and rectangle. You know about rectangle and square. Square is this like the square. In the square, all sides are equal. Consider A, B, C, D is a square. A rectangle is this like the rectangle. Rectangle is here. Therefore, A, B, C, D. This ABC is a square. Write the perimeter. Perimeter means sum of all sides, or otherwise sum of total length. In this is also polygon. 4 sides are here. Sum of all sides AB plus BC plus DC plus AD. For example, consider all sides are 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. What is the perimeter of this square? 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 4 is 16. Therefore, perimeter of the square is equal to 16 centimeter. But a rectangle is what? In the square, all sides are equal. The condition is, in the square, all sides are equal. But in the rectangle, only opposite sides are equal. This is 10 centimeter. This is also 10 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Find the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter means sum of all sides. 4 sides are here. One is 10, 5, 10, 5. 10, 5 is 15. 15 plus 10 is 25. 25 plus 5 is 30 centimeter. The total length is 30 centimeter. Therefore, the perimeter of rectangle of ABCD is equal to 30 centimeter. This area of square is equal to 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 60 centimeter. Okay, in the perimeter, some formulas are here. Formula in the perimeter of square formula. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. Formula is 4 into side. Next, perimeter of rectangle. Rectangle is equal to, but opposite sides are equal. Length, breadth. But 2 length is there, 2 breadth is there. Therefore, 2 into bracket of L plus B. This is also length. 2 length is there, 2 breadth is there. Therefore, 2 into bracket of L plus B is the perimeter of rectangle formula. Got it? These two formulas are most important when you find out the perimeter of square as well as perimeter of the rectangle. Okay, take some examples on perimeter. Some examples. Okay, find the perimeter. First question is, what is the perimeter of a rectangle in which length and breadth are 4.5 meter and 3 meter respectively? Find the perimeter of the rectangle. Therefore, this is one rectangle is the rectangle. Consider A, B, C, D is the rectangle. Breadth, length and breadth. Length means 4.5 meter. 4.5. Length are equal. Next. Breadth is what? 3 meter, 3 meter. Perimeter is what? Directly. Perimeter is sum of all sides. 4.5, 4.5 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15 is over. By the formula, solution by the formula, perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to, formula is 2 into bracket of L plus B. L means length, B means breadth. 2 into length. Length is 4.5. 4.5 plus breadth. Breadth is 3 meter. 3 meter is equal to 2 into bracket of 4 plus 5 plus 3 is 7.5. 7.5 into 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 7 are 14 plus 1 is 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter is, sorry, 15 meter is the total length of the rectangle, or otherwise perimeter of the rectangle. Next one question is what? Again that is also same. Perimeter is the solution. The length and breadth of the rectangular field is are the 400 meter and 225 meter is the. Find the length of the wire required to the fence to the rectangular field and find the cost of the fencing at the 7 rupees per meter. Okay, listen here. One rectangular field is the, this is A, B, C, D is the rectangular field. The length and breadth is given. Length is 400 meter. 400 meter. Breadth is 225 meter is the. Okay, you can take wiring the total rectangular field. Wiring the fencing the all rectangular form. Therefore, first of all you can find out the perimeter of rectangular form. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to formula. Rectangle is equal to formula is 2 into bracket of L plus B. L plus B. Therefore, 2 into bracket of L means 400 plus breadth means 225. These two sum 2 into bracket of 625. 625 into multiplication. 0. 2 to the 4 plus 1 is 5. Next, 2, 6 are 12 is there. 1250 meter is there. Total wire length. Length of the wire, one fencing is 1250. Therefore, cost of fencing wire is equal to 1 meter is equal to 7 rupees. 1 meter is equal to 7 rupees, but total meter is 1250. 7 into 1250 is equal to rupees. 7 0 the 0. Next 0. Next 7 5 are 35. Carry 3. Next 7 2 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. Carry 1. Next 7 1 7 plus 1 is 8. The amount is, the cost of fencing the wire is 8,750 rupees. Therefore, in the question, first we can find out the perimeter of rectangle. Next, we can take the find the cost of fencing the wire. Got it? This like some 2 examples are here. Only the perimeter of rectangle. Next examples are here. Perimeter of squares. Okay, next one is find the perimeter by the squares. The first question is what? Third one. If the side of the square is 6 centimeter long, find its perimeter. Solution. Very easy is the first of all can take the square. Diagram square is the A, B, C, D is the square. The side of square is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. The all sides are equal. No problem. Therefore, formula is perimeter of square formula. Perimeter of square is equal to only 4 into side. 4 into side. Therefore, 4 into side is 6 is the 6 centimeter. Therefore, 6 fours are 24 centimeter. That is perimeter. Got it? The perimeter of square is 24 centimeter. Very easy. Next is the fourth question. Solution. If the perimeter of the square is given, in this one side is given, in this question perimeter is given. Therefore, if the perimeter of square is given, that is 60 centimeter, find the side. Find the length of its sides. Therefore, this also square is the A, B, C, D. The total 60 centimeter is the 60 centimeter is perimeter. Find out the side. Therefore, formula is perimeter of square is equal to, formula is 4 into side. 4 into side. Therefore, in this formula, put the given condition. Which one is given? Perimeter is given. Perimeter is 16 centimeter is equal to 4 into side. Therefore, you can find out side. Find the length of its sides. Side is equal to 16 centimeter divides 4 is equal to side. You can take 4 in this side, that is denominator. Therefore, 4 ones are 4 fours are. Therefore, side is equal to 4 centimeter. Side is equal to 4 centimeter. This is over. Got it? This likes the perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of square. Some questions are here in your exercise. Practice more examples in your exercise. Only perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of squares. In the questions, sides are given, we can find out perimeter. Otherwise, perimeter is given, we can find out sides. In the rectangle also no problem. In the rectangle, perimeter is given, length is given, we can find out the breadth. Otherwise, breadth is given, perimeter is given, we can find out the length. Some these questions are here. Practice. The next one is area. The next one is area is the next. Area. Area, we can find out area in 2 times is there. In your fifth standard, only you can use the graph. Graph is the, by the graph, you can practice in your homework, no problem. Graph, this like graph is the, consider one triangle, this like one triangle. Consider A, B, C is the one triangle. What is the area of this triangle? We don't know what formula. Only by the graphically, you can find out the area of triangle formula. In the triangle formula, first the square units are here. Square units. This is one square units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. Got it? First one is, this is completely square is there. 1. Therefore, area is equal to 1 is completely is there. But 2 is more half is there. 1 is more half. 1 is more half is there. More half, consider that is exactly 1 plus half. Sorry, this is also here. 2 plus 4 is more half is there. How many? 2 times is there. 1, 2. Next, 1, 2, 3. 3 half is there. 3 only half. Consider half. Therefore, 1 plus more half, consider exactly approximate 2. Next, 3 half is 3 into 1 by 2. Therefore, 1 plus 2 plus 3 ones are 2 under 2, 2 plus 1.5 is there. 1.5. 1.5 means 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4.5 area is there. This is 4.5. 1, 2, 3. Remaining these two half is what? That is 1.5. That is 4.5 is the area. This like you practice your graphically in your textbook also here. The next one also here. Next one again consider graph sheet. Graph sheet. Therefore this like is the we can take any one triangle. This like is the. Therefore A, B, C is a triangle. Find the area of triangle. Find the area of triangle. Area is equal to how many squares are complete squares are here? Complete squares 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is complete square. You can write 4 units. Next more half. More half is 1. More half 1. Next 2, 3 is more half is 3. 3 is more half. More half is next plus only half. Half is what? 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. 4 is half is there. 4 is half. But otherwise the small letter this is remove, no problem. Next therefore 4 plus more half consider directly full plus 3. Half is 4 into half is 1 by 2. Therefore 4 plus 3 plus 2 ones are 2 twos are 2. Therefore 9 is there. This area is 9 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Approximate area is 9 is there. This like you are find out the area of triangle, area of square, area of rectangle by the graphically. Next one you can find out the area of the given formula by the formula. Area. First one is what? Area of square. Next one area of rectangle. Square means, for example, square this like is the. This is square A, B, C, D. Rectangle is this like is the rectangle A, B, C, D. In the sides, all sides are equal. Consider A. All sides are equal in the square. But rectangle, only opposite sides are equal. Length into breadth. Consider formula. Area means you can find out the square. Area of square is side into side. Side into side is equal to otherwise A into A. Otherwise A square. Formula is A square. One side is centimeter. This is centimeter. Centimeter into centimeter. Centimeter square into 2 times. Otherwise meter into meter square. That is 2 times equal. Next one also in the rectangle. Length into breadth. Breadth is equal to L into B formula. Area of rectangle is equal to L into length into breadth. Got it? These like formulas are here. Next you can take some 2 examples on your area. Okay. Next one is find out the rectangular area. Find the area of rectangle. Find the area of rectangle in the which length is 2 meter and breadth is 35 centimeters. Therefore, first of all you can write the given values. Given value is what? Length. Length is equal to 2 meters is there. But one is meter, one is centimeter is there. You can convert that meter to centimeter. Therefore, 2 into 100 is equal to 200 centimeters. This is converted. Next breadth. Breadth is equal to that is given 35 centimeters. You can find out the area of rectangle. Therefore, area of rectangle formula is equal to length into breadth formula is the put the length value and breadth value. Length is 200, breadth is 35. 200 centimeter into 35 centimeter is there. Therefore 35 to the 70 remaining 20 17,000 centimeter into centimeter square. Therefore area of rectangle is 7,000 centimeter square. 7,000 centimeter square is the next question. Is what? The length and breadth of the rectangular room is 5 meter and 3.2 meter respectively. Find the cost of carpeting the room at the rate of 500 rupees per square meter. Okay, one rectangular room is there, that length and breadth is 5 meter and 3.2 meter is there. You can find out the area of rectangle and also that room, all room is the carpeting is there. Carpeting, the cost of carpeting means 1 meter square is 500 rupees is there. What is the total cost? Therefore, solution. First of all, you can find out the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length is 5 meter, breadth is 3.2 meter. Therefore, 5 meter into 3.2 meter multiplication. Therefore, 5 2s are 10 0. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1 is 16 is there. 16. Therefore, 16 meter is the meter square. You can take 0 or otherwise 16 meter square. 16 meter square is the area rectangle. But 1 meter square is equal to 5 rupees. The cost of carpeting. Carpeting is equal to total meter square or 60 meter square. But 1 meter square of 500 is there. Therefore, 500 into 16 is the 16 5s are 80 00 800 8,000 rupees. The cost is rupees 8,000. Got it? This line example is done. Only find out the area of rectangle. Next questions are only area of squares are here. Therefore, the next one is what? Example by the squares are here. Solution. First one is find the area of square. Its length is 6 centimeters. Therefore, given length is 6 centimeter. Area of square is equal to formula. Area of square formula is equal to side into side, or otherwise A into A. Side is length is given, that is 6 into 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter is equal to 6 6 36 centimeter square. That is over. Next question is what? Example 4. Solution. Find the area of square whose perimeter is given but length is not given, area is not given, only perimeter is given. You can find out the area. Therefore, given is what? Perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 64 meter is there. But you can find out the first of all side. After you can find out the area. Perimeter formula is 4 into side. 4 into side is equal to 64 meter is there. You can find out side. Side is equal to 64 meter divides 4 is equal to 4 ones are 4 6 are 16 is the 16 meter. 16 meter is the. Next one is what? Side is given. Side is you know that side is 16 meter is the. Next you can find out the area. Therefore, area of square is equal to side into side. Side into side is equal to what? Side is 16 into 16 meter into 16 meter. Therefore, 16 squares 256. 256 is there. 256. Yes, 256. 256. That is area. 256 meters square. 256 meters square. This like only find out the area of square. Last one question is the combining the figures. Combining figures, find out the area. Last one question. Last question. Find out the area by the combining figures. Combining figures is the, this is one combining figure is the, therefore 3 centimeter total is combining. You can take how to solve this word. There are two methods are here. You can take reconstruction one type. This like is the, therefore you can take, this is also 1 centimeter because this is 2, this also 2 is the. Take one point, therefore A, B, C, D, E, F, G is the. This is G is the na? G. One figure, this is second figure. First figure is square, but this side is what? 2, 2, but total is 3 is the. But this is 1, 1. Next one is what? You can take this like also here. This also 1 is the. 1 means this is 4, but total is 5. 5 minus 4 is only 1. This is also 1. Therefore, area of A, B, C, D, E, F is equal to area of first one. Area of first one plus area of second one. Area of second one. First one is square is the. Second one is rectangle is the. Therefore, first one is squares. Square is side into side. Side into side. Plus, second one is length into breadth. Length is EF. EF is 5 cm. Length into breadth. Therefore, put the value. Into squares, all sides are only 1 is the. 1 into 1 plus. Length is what? Length is 5 is the. 5 plus breadth is 2 is the. 2. Therefore, 1 into 1 is 1 plus 5 2s are 10. Therefore, total is equal to 11 centimeter square. You can find this side. Or otherwise, or another method is the area of A, B, C, D, E, F is equal to. Again, second method is, you can find out this line. Second one, this is given. This given figure is the. Draw this line. Therefore, you can draw this line. This also G is the. This is first figure and second figure. This is 2 is the. Again, this also 2 is the. 2 centimeter. 2. No problem. Next, that is not necessary. Next, you can find out the area of first one. Area of first plus area of second. First area is what? First area is also rectangle. Rectangle means length into breadth. Length is 3, breadth is 1. Length into breadth. Plus second area also length into breadth is the. Length 4, breadth is 2. Therefore, again L1, B1, L2 into B2. Therefore, first one 3 into 1 plus 4 into 2. Therefore, 3 into 1 is 3 plus 8 into 4 into 2 is 8 is equal to 11 centimeter square. You can choose any one. This one or this one. You can choose any one. Find out the area of given combining figures. Got it? This lecture is there. You can find out more examples in your textbook. Practice on exercise examples. I shall continue next class.